On a day like this, most girls would like to, I don't know, shop or stay inside or something. Me, I go to the gun range. Alright, now all I have to do is wait in my dad's office until he's ready to go, and then we'll head to the gun range.
Thermometer should be at least 100.
Okay, after waiting a while in my dad's office, we're finally going to the gun range. Well, we have to do a few errands first, and then we're going to get food, and then we're going to the gun range. So it'll be a while before I start shooting stuff. We're here. Yay. We'll start shooting in a minute once my dad gets back, and then we'll start.
Yeah, I like that. I like that. I like that too, but handguns are...
Is this automatic? I couldn't hear you. Okay.
All right, very good. Minute.
I'll take it. Jerk it.
All right. Pick it up, shoulder. Whoa. All right.
Hey, you got some video. Ed was dead. It was fun. So now I'm just waiting for my dad. He's just doing random stuff. Just looking for a scope for his gun, his rifle, this thing, which is why I didn't shoot it too much. Plus, they closed down the little range, so.
What are you doing?
Filming? What does it look like I'm doing? Now, which ones are the ones you're thinking of getting? What, this guy here, and then this one?
Or the little one. I want to get something that's like a floating... You see, they have these. These are pretty heavy duty.
The ghost ring, this thing?
No, this one, the bottom one. But I don't know if I want anything that big.
That kind of looks awkward.
Well, but it sits on there.
Pretty good and tight.
It'll get in the way of my laser sight. So... I think it just won't floating.
And the other one was too flimsy, that's why it broke. So yeah, that was fun. Thank you for taking me here.
You're welcome.